Hi, my name is Roxie. I'm a master instructor here at the NYC Academy. I'm here with Sue today, and today I'll be showing you a 2-minute quick eyeliner tutorial. So I personally find the easiest way to do wing liner is actually with a gel formula, and I'm going to use a small brush. The biggest secret to this is making sure you pick up enough product, so make sure your brush is super saturated. Next is how to define where you're actually going to apply the wing. The biggest secret to making a wing happen is making sure that you follow the lower lash line. Like imagine if there was an invisible line that continued forward. Alright, so we're going to go in and we're going to place it downwards, and that's how you create your angle. Alright, just like that. And that depends on whatever. You can go as long as you want or as short as you want as well. And next, I'm going to have Sue close her eye, and I'm actually going to lift, and I'm going to create a line on the lower lash line. And you can make this as thin or as thick as you want, depending on your eye shape. If you have smaller eyes, stick to a thinner line, and if you have bigger eyes, you can do a thicker line. Alright. And you're going to do that from corner to inner corner. Alright. And then I'm going to make sure I'm going to grab some more product just for the final touch of the wing. Now you're going to connect. So you're going to take this corner here and you're going to connect it to the line you just created. Open. And that's how you create a wing. So here we're taking a look at Sue's wing. So I completed it with gel liner, but there's many variations that you can do it with. You can either do it with liquid, gel, or you can do it with the pencil, whatever you feel most comfortable. But depending on if you're working from client to client, it's extremely important to make sure you use sanitation first. Very, very important. Because to be honest, the only way you can really be sanitized in the makeup world, in the makeup industry, is by using a gel-based liner or a pencil-based liner. So it also depends on your client's eye shape as well. So it's really important to make sure that you listen to your client and making sure that you know exactly what suits them and what they want. Two completely different things, guys. So Sue here, I would say would have more of an almond-shaped eye. So she has the ideal eye. She could do a super dramatic wing, or she could do a small wing, but it's completely up to her. Try not to take eyeliner too serious, guys, because it can be super fun. It can be very dramatic like the one I have on now, or it can be really nice and soft like the one I put on Sue. All I suggest is practice, practice, practice. This is extremely important because the more you practice, the easier it'll get, I promise.